Which one is the best in 2026? For e-commerce sellers, dropshippers, and online store owners, product research tools are essential. In 2026, two of the most talked about options are Koala Inspector and Shophunter. Both promise to help you find winning products, spy on competitors, and analyze storefront performance, but which one actually delivers better results? In this review, we'll compare both tools head-to-head so you can decide which one is worth your time and money. Let's start with what these tools are built to do. Both Koala Inspector and Shophunter are product intelligence and competitor research tools that help you analyze Shopify stores, find trending items, and uncover data that's normally hard to access without manual digging. They're used by sellers who want to understand what's selling well, where traffic is coming from, and how competitors are pricing and positioning products. Koala Inspector has been around longer and is especially popular for its Chrome extension that lets you inspect any Shopify store directly from your browser. With a single click, you can see product tags, bestsellers, pricing history, and even supplier information in some cases. Many users find this real-time on-page analysis extremely useful because it lets them assess a product's potential without leaving the product page. The interface is intuitive, and the extension shows a lot of information quickly without overwhelming you. One of Koala Inspector's strengths is its simplicity and speed. It works well for quick research sessions when you're browsing competitor stores or product niches. It also pulls multiple data points like traffic estimates and historical trends, which can help you gauge whether a product is just a fad or something with stay power. But because it prioritizes speed and ease of use, some users feel the depth of insights can be limited compared to full dashboard tools. Now let's talk about Shophunter. Shophunter takes a slightly different approach. Instead of primarily being a browser extension, it's a full platform with dashboards, product lists, trend alerts, and more detailed analytics. You can search by niche, filter by engagement metrics, and see aggregated data from multiple stores in one place. This is especially useful if you need to manage your product research systematically over time rather than do quick dives on individual pages. It tends to offer deeper segmentation and filtering options. For example, you can narrow down trending products not just by category, but by engagement levels, price ranges, and social proof metrics like recent shares or ads running on social platforms. Users who rely on social traffic data to inform their product decisions often find this level of detail helpful. In terms of data accuracy and real-world usefulness, both tools have pros and cons. Koala Inspector's strength is speed and convenience. You can open almost any Shopify store and get insight right away. It's great for on-the-fly research and for sellers who scroll competitor catalogs often. Shophunter, on the other hand, shines when you need structured workflows, for example, building lists of niches, saving research results, or tracking performance over time. Pricing also differs. Koala Inspector's core functionality can be accessed via a freemium model with paid plans for more features, like deeper historical data or unrestricted usage. Shophunter typically positions itself as a more premium, subscription-based platform with tiered pricing depending on the volume of searches, trend alerts, and advanced filters you need. For some sellers, the added cost of Shophunter is justified by the richer, longer-term insights. For others, the lighter, faster access from Koala Inspector is more attractive. Ease of use is another factor. Koala Inspector is quick to install and can be used almost immediately as a browser extension. Shophunter requires you to log into a dashboard and familiarize yourself with its menus. But once you do, many users appreciate how comprehensive and organized the data feels. So which one is the best in 2026? The honest answer is this: it depends on how you work. If you want fast, real-time insights while browsing Shopify stores, and you prefer a lightweight tool that doesn't take long to set up, Koala Inspector is a solid choice. If you prefer deeper analytics, structured research, and trend tracking over time, Shophunter may be the better long-term investment. Neither tool is a scam, and both have real user bases that report value when the tools are used as intended. The key is matching the tool to your workflow, speed and simplicity versus depth and structure. If this comparison helped you decide which product research tool suits your business in 2026, leave a like, subscribe for more honest e-commerce reviews, and tell me in the comments, Are you Team Koala or Team Shophunter? Stay strategic, keep optimizing, and I'll see you in the next one.